Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your back. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of mops. That's right, it's an epic showdown between the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop and the Bissell Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop is priced at around $92, making it an affordable option for those who want effective cleaning without spending a fortune. Reviewers appreciate its value, mentioning that it effectively cleans porcelain floors and textured ceramic tiles, though some noted it may not remove all built-up grime without additional scrubbing. On the other hand, the Bissell Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop comes in at about $164. While it's pricier, users rave about its efficiency, versatility, and quick heating. However, some users did mention it can get heavy after prolonged use. So if budget is a concern, the Powerfresh might be your best bet, but if you want versatility, the Slim is worth considering. Now, let's discuss cleaning power. Both mops claim to eliminate 99.9% of germs without harsh chemicals. The Powerfresh features a smart set digital steam control, allowing you to choose between high, medium, or low steam settings. Many users have praised its performance on textured surfaces, effectively cleaning hard-to-reach areas without the need for a scrub brush. Conversely, the Slim not only cleans like a champ, but also doubles as a handheld steam cleaner, making it a multitasking hero. Users love its efficiency and the variety of attachments that come with it, which help tackle various surfaces. However, some reviews did mention that while the Slim is great, it lacks the consistent steam power needed for prolonged cleaning sessions. Next up, reach. The Powerfresh boasts a 23-foot power cord, while the Slim stretches a bit further with a 25-foot cord. This additional length can be helpful for those hard-to-reach corners. Reviewers of the Slim appreciated this extra reach, especially when trying to clean those hidden dust bunnies. However, as one reviewer noted, it's not always about the length, it's about how effectively you can maneuver in tight spaces. Now, let's talk about tools and features. The Powerfresh comes with a microfiber soft pad, scrubby pad, and an easy scrubber for grout and crevices, making it ideal for tough messes. Users have found this combination very effective in tackling sticky situations. On the flip side, the Slim includes an onboard storage kit with multiple tools, including a grout tool and an angle tool, which users have found incredibly useful for a variety of cleaning tasks. Many reviews highlight the Slim's versatility, making it an all-in-one cleaning solution. However, some users did mention that the attachments can sometimes feel a bit clunky. Lastly, let's discuss portability. The Powerfresh is easy to maneuver with its swivel steering, making it user-friendly for most cleaning tasks. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward design and ease of use. The Slim, however, takes portability to the next level with its extension tube, allowing you to clean above floors with ease, like a true cleaning champion. But some users have noted that it can become heavy during extended use, which may affect portability. In summary, both the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop and the Bissell Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. The Powerfresh is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, while the Slim is celebrated for its versatility and range of attachments. However, users have reported some issues with steam consistency in the Slim and the need for additional scrubbing with the Powerfresh. So which mop takes the crown? If you're looking for a reliable, no-nonsense cleaning buddy, the Powerfresh is your go-to. But if you want versatility and a whole toolkit to tackle every cleaning challenge, the Slim is your best bet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Happy cleaning, and until next time, keep buying smart.